Hello, shrimps. Yesterday we looked at the book The Snowy Day, and in The Snowy Day we found out how snow was made. That the rain that's gathered up in the clouds, if it gets so cold, it gets frozen into ice particles like ice snowflakes, and then it turns into snowflakes and flutters down. And I did tell you that I would have a surprise for you today, so I've got it here. I went to my freezer to get it out. There's a clue. Can you guess what I froze? Oh, it's dripping everywhere. Oh, there, where's my tray? Oh, it's waving. It's not someone's hand. It's, can you guess? It's an ice hand. Right, I'm going to do some trickery here. Let me just see if I can move the camera down a bit so you can see what I'm doing. So here it is, and I just cut a hole before. So that's just a rubber glove, and I filled it with water, and then I put it in my freezer to see what would happen. And because in the freezer, what do we know about freezers? Yes, they're really, really cold. So cold that they make everything frozen, which means they go hard and get ice particles all over them. This is really hard to undo, actually. So here's my rubber glove. Oh, look! Can you see? Ooh, it's all wet. It's dripping. I wonder why it started to drip. Why do you think it's starting to drip? Oh, it's really hard to undo. Oh, look! There's a little finger. Oh no, the other finger's broke. Let's have a look at it. Ew, look. There's a finger. Looks a bit like a shark fin. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. Shark fin, maybe. Oh, it's really dripping. Did you have an idea why it's all starting to drip with water? That's right, because it's melting. There's my scissors. I'm going to have to use my scissors. So if you do anything like this with your grown-ups, you might have to get them to help you. You can freeze water in the freezer. Oh, it's only got 2 fingers left. Oh, and a bit of the thumb. Oh no, that one's broke as well. Oh, there we go. Right, so this is what's left of my glove. Looks a bit like a fox. Mr. Fox. A frozen ice fox. Oh, can you see it dripping? It's dripping down my arm. Ew, drip, drip, drip. Drip, drip, drip. Feels really cold. My fingers are so cold on the ends now. It's really dripping. Okay, I think I know. I've had a little think about why it is starting to drip with water. It's because it is melting. Is it still in the freezer where it's really freezing cold? No, it is not. It is in my house where the heating is on because it's winter and it's very cold. So it's melting because the heating is warm in the house and it makes this ice melt. It won't stay long as an ice block, like a glove or an ice fox, a nice husky dog maybe. Could be anything, couldn't it? Do you know what I'm going to go and do? I think I'm going to get my paints out. I'm going to paint on it. See what happens when I put paint on the ice. Can you go and do that if you've got some ice? If you haven't, then maybe tomorrow, maybe today, ask your mums or dads or whoever you're with, the grown-ups, can they freeze something? It might even just be an ice cube or 2. Can they freeze some water or something? And then tomorrow you can have a go at painting on it. That'd be nice, won't it? Okay, so that's my little bit of ice. I'm going to go and paint on it now. Okay, have lots of fun.